Well, I got a surprise in the mail today. My first solid-state disk drive from Kingston. So let's go ahead and take this for a test drive. All right, welcome back. I'm just going to record this with my smartphone. But here's the Kingston A400, 120 gig solid-state drive. But we have my hard drive here, and we have a this drive up here. So what I'm going to do for this, I'm going to keep this simple. I'm just going to unplug these two cables here, you can see here, 1 and 2. Unplug these so there's no chance of erasing my Windows 10 partition here. No chance of really, messing this up. I'm just going to pull these cables out, hook it up to the Kingston drive here. Normally I would have had, you should have, a 3.5 to 2.5 inch adapter so it could fit here in this slot normally. But I think what I'll do with this, because this machine is somewhat outdated, 5 years old, mainly for testing, I'm just going to hook up maybe like double-sided tape and put it here at the bottom, here at the base, and it should work. Otherwise, I'm not going to touch anything else here. It's just a quad-core machine, 4 gigs of RAM, 2 gig sticks, integrated graphics. Again, very simple, very basic. And then we're going to install, I'll have to choose a Linux distro for the new disk drive, and we'll see how this works out. Alright, I just installed Ubuntu 18.10 Cosmic Cuttlefish on this new SSD drive. Did not seem to run into any issues, so anyway, I think it works so far. I'm going to do some editing in Kdenlive. I downloaded a simple screen recorder, VLC. I need to install Kdenlive, probably use the app image. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, the SSD drive, no issues whatsoever. So I think I'll edit this, and then let's do a real test, full install test of Ubuntu 18.10, and see if it runs any better.